Hi there, people. Welcome back. We got Mike, we got Trevor, and we're back for another episode of Golden Opportunities where we talk about the hottest jobs in technology. What's up, Trevor? Say hey.
How are you? It's good to be
Good,
back.
good. Yes, we're back again.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
into the 60s of episodes already. Time flies
It's been
when you're
pretty
having
cool.
fun.
Pretty cool journey. So,
Yes. Yep. Yep. So, what's shaking? How do you feel about that Super Bowl?
I mean, it is what it is. It's a great
Yeah.
team. So,
Yeah, I didn't really have a horse in the race, so
yeah. As a
hard to
Bengals fan, you
well,
lost,
that
so it doesn't really
that's true.
matter.
Hard to root for either one as a Bengals fan. So
Yeah,
at least it
yeah.
was
You either lost.
entertaining.
Yeah,
I think the only thing less exciting team wise would have been like Pittsburgh versus Green Bay. You know,
yeah. That's true. That's
Colby
true.
Colby would have Colby would have loved that, but
Colby would have loved Green Bay being in the Super Bowl,
yeah,
but I mean, to your point, like you got the 49ers who we've lost to in the Super Bowl twice,
yep.
and then you got the Chiefs who
Current
have been
rivals,
our
yeah,
current rivals for the playoffs. So
yep, yep,
it was a lose lose.
yeah. At least
But
there was like some wings and beer involved. So life
yeah,
could be
it was a
worse.
great game. I mean, that's all you can ask for. It was a really great game. So
Yeah, yeah. Anywho, I heard you got some fresh new comedy to lay on everybody.
you
Better be
could say
good.
that. That may be an exaggeration, but someone could say that.
All right,
All
hit us
right,
with it.
here we go. It's kind of bad. How do you
Yep.
organize a space party?
How do you organize a space party? Don't know.
You plan it.
You plan it. Get it? Plan it.
Plan it. Plan it.
Awesome. Awesome. Got more?
That's all I got for this
Just
week.
one for this week? All right.
I'm gonna save it for
All
yeah.
right. Fair enough. I got two, and they are bad, but
Oh
we'll
boy.
roll them out anyway, right? All right.
Let's
What do
do
you
it.
call an upside down video game?
I don't know.
Game over.
Oh, nice. That's clever.
All right. All right. The next. Where did the computer and the internet go when they went out? Where did they go?
I don't know. I don't
On
have
a
any
data.
guesses. Oh, nice.
On a data.
Nice.
Hey,
That's a good one. That's a good
figured
one.
I'd
That's a good
throw in
one.
a Valentine's week,
Throwing a little
internet-based
Valentine's
humor
tech
kind of
joke.
stuff. Yeah, yeah.
That's a good
Anywho,
one.
I don't know. Maybe it's bad, good, good, bad, something like that.
Whatever
I don't know. Maybe
works.
it's just bad.
That's all we do. That's all we do.
All right, let's get on with it. We're here to talk about golden opportunities, and we like to count down each week from job number 5 all the way to job number 1. And so we'll start there. Job number 5 this week is a Scrum Master position with a client in the Cincinnati, Ohio area.
Yes. So what we're looking for here is a Scrum Master who has some experience working on some large scale projects. So this is going to be a part of a really large company working on some implementation processes. So we're looking for somebody who has some experience in that domain, organizing and leading Scrum ceremonies, overseeing the scope of the project, the timeline, the quality, goals, deliverables, all that sort of good stuff. So that's kind of what we're looking for there. We're looking for about 3 to 5 years of experience as a Scrum Master, but can definitely consider more as well. Again, agile experience would definitely be a plus, and just leading those large scale projects is exactly what we're looking for.
All right, perfect. Job number 4 is an Oracle Business Analyst opportunity, and it is in the Ohio area.
Yes. So what we're looking for here is pretty much an application analyst who has some extensive experience with Oracle. So looking for about 3 years of experience as an application analyst would be perfect. Having somebody who has some knowledge of the business applications that Oracle all offers, specifically within the payroll and the inventory domain, HR would be a plus as well. But within that domain of Oracle would be awesome. Implementing those processes would be great if you have that experience as well. If you've kind of been a part of a process already, again, that's still something that we can definitely consider though as well. Application desktop integration and then workflow are a couple things that they are looking for, as well as Oracle application server. That one is a contract to hire and Ohio. So we are looking for somebody in the Ohio area. It can be kind of within just anywhere in the state. It's going to be a little bit of travel just as far as like when meetings are needed, but it's not going to be like a hybrid sort of schedule. So that's kind of why they left it up to the whole state. So
The region.
a little bit
All
wider.
right.
Yeah, wider
All right.
area.
Cool. Oh, good. So we're moving on to job number 3. It's an API Tester 2 position, and this is a remote opportunity.
Yes. So completely remote. What we're looking for here is an API tester, but also to kind of act as like a QA resource for the team, supporting the testing and delivery of the product team. So we're looking for somebody who has some experience and just familiarity with the infrastructure migrations, executing some functional and performance testing, and just helping them to build out their automated testing features as well. So that is a huge part, is the automated testing. So that's a big piece of what we're looking for here. So that is a contract to hire position, and it is completely remote.
All right. Job number 2 is a lead data architect role with a client in the Bridgeton, Missouri area.
Yes. So what we're looking for here is about 7 years of experience working with and developing data flow diagrams, data models, and data architectures. On-cloud and cloud would be preferred. They are looking for Microsoft Azure as well, so having that experience would be great. Looking for somebody who has about 5 to 7 years of experience with supporting Azure as well. So that's kind of what we're looking for there. Looking for somebody who maybe has some like multi-business unit organization experience as well. But I will say the key to this role is going to be the Azure experience and the data flow diagrams, data models, and data architecture experience. So it's like a lead data engineer / architect. So either one of those positions, we can definitely consider somebody for that. And that is a hybrid role based out of Bridgeton, Missouri.
All right. And down to it, job number 1. We got a Java full stack developer role. It's a remote opportunity. Tell us about this one.
Yeah. So what we're looking for here is about 8 years of experience within Java development, working with Node.js, Java, and Spring. Looking for somebody who has some really significant web experience on the front end side with JavaScript, CSS, and Angular or React. SQL database, NoSQL databases with MongoDB would definitely be a huge benefit for this role. Really just having some of those strong analytical problem solving skills and working with some microservice architecture would be awesome. So that's what we're looking for there. That is a contract to hire position, and it is completely remote.
Excellent. There you have it, folks. That is our top 5 hottest jobs in technology. We call them golden opportunities. And Trevor's going to tell us, if you're out there watching, you're one of those world-class technologists that watches the show. If you're interested in learning more about one of these positions or maybe even applying for consideration for the role, Trevor's going to tell you how you can go about doing that or what's the best way.
Yeah, absolutely. So best way would be to check out our website. It's goldenitinc.com. You check out our website and then you click on the Get Hired button. So that'll take you to our database that has all of our jobs that are available currently. So I know you'll probably see some that we talked about. They should be up there's the API tester. I got a data engineer too that we didn't talk about, and then the Java developer. So a bunch of different open positions right now. So if you click on apply now for that role, then that will take you to the drop down for you to put in all your information, and then you can attach your resume. So that is a great way for you to get in touch with us, and it just gives us a little bit more info about you, just so we can reach out to you directly from that. If you're not exactly committed to a position right now, you don't see anything that we have available, maybe you're a program manager or something like that, which we should have program manager opportunities coming up here in the near future. You can click on not ready to apply, and then you can submit your resume through that. So what that does is that just sends us your resume. And then when we open up a position, we get the recommendations based around the skill set. So that's a great way for you to get in touch with us. That's a great way for us to easily be able to reach out to you as soon as a position comes open. And we can know that you're a great fit right off the bat. So that's a couple ways that I would encourage you guys to apply. Otherwise, reach out to us on LinkedIn, interact with us, here on LinkedIn or wherever you're watching us from. That's always awesome. And, it's a great way to kind of start building some relationships and networking. So, encourage you guys to do that. But that's all I got.
Yeah, good stuff. And I will remind you, as I always do, that we're live on LinkedIn, X, Facebook, YouTube. So leave us some comments down there. We love watching or seeing that you're out there. We will respond to those comments many times live during the show or shortly thereafter. Tell us what you're interested in. Kind of what's your experience or skill set. Share with us some of your worst dad jokes because we love those. And
Absolutely.
anything else. So just reach out, smash that like button, as the youngins say. Right? No, they don't really say that. It's kind of like 5 years now. It's old
It's a
news.
little old, but
Yeah, it's still kind
you're
of
trying to be
funny.
hip. I appreciate that, Mike.
Yeah, it's still kind of funny, especially if you're not really trying.
It definitely is funny. I agree with that.
uh, I think it might be funnier when Brian says it. Yeah,
That's true. That's
yeah,
true.
it's pretty funny. Anyway, that's all I got for this week, guys. I'm going to put that website address up there one more time for you so you can jot it down if you need. goldenitInc.com/job-listings. We will be back next week, so make sure to tune in. Same time, same channels. And what else you got, Trevor, before we get out of here?
Bearcats got a big win. So trying to
Go
pull it up. Go
Cats.
Bearcats.
Yeah.
That's all I got. It's
All
been a good
right.
week.
Good stuff. This has been Golden Opportunities, and we are getting out of here. We'll see you next time.